Hey guys, welcome back to another Imagine Flight video. Today we're going to be doing a short little review on the Eachine VR006 goggles. I ordered them and now they're here, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I was a little bit concerned if this package was going to fit in my mailbox or not, but it got delivered and it did. It totally fit, and it's because the box is about this big right here. And it was really a lot smaller than I was expecting, but it comes with a charging cable, an instruction manual, a little wipe thing, and hold on, this little cable right here. And this cable plugs into the top here in case you want to, like, I don't know, watch a movie or something. It's an AV in, it's not an AV out, so you can't like plug it into your TV and let people watch the video on there while you're flying. Maybe you could like modify it to do that, but as far as I know, it does not have that capability right now. Anyways, all that stuff aside, these are the goggles. And first off, first thing I noticed is they don't feel cheap in my hands. Like, I got them, you have to put this little strap on, but the foam's nice. They feel really great on my face, and obviously some people are going to have some different face types, but this one feels really great on my face. There's a little bit of light leakage on the sides here. Nothing bad though. It did come with foam for the nose, and I put that on, and that helps because there's a little bit of light leakage around the nose. But other than that, it works great. And some people are saying, oh, I don't get very good range. And the house I live in right now is 2,700 square feet, and I can fly it from one end of the house all the way to the other, through rooms, everything, fine reception. It gets a little bit fuzzy when I get to the other side of the house, but I'll actually lose radio signal from the transmitter before I lose video signal. So I think that's just about it. I mean, they're really simple. The functions on the side. So let me focus this in here. So this button is the power/scan button, and this is really the only one I've used. You hold it down, turn it on, and it just lights up and kind of goes fuzzy there while it's searching for a channel. And you can move the channel up and down with the plus and minus buttons. And then if you go menu, you can use the plus and minus buttons to like adjust brightness and sharpness and contrast and all that stuff. I haven't really messed with that at all because it's good, but it talks all about that in the owner's manual. But I would just leave it the same, honestly. You press the power on button once to scan, and you just press it really short, and then you hold it, and you can switch sources to like the AV in so that you can like watch whatever you plugged in. So let me turn on my little drone here. Just charged up the battery, stick it in here, and I already have it tuned in to the correct channel. So you guys ought to be able to see. I can't do any DVR, but what I can do is fly it around and just have the camera up to the video, and you guys will be able to see that. So that might be kind of cool, so let's get into that. here's the setup. So that's how I have it jerry-rigged, so you can see what it's seeing. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. All around solid little deal. So in my last video I talked about it a little bit, but you can get this, and this all for, I think, just a little under $80. I posted the video, and then just a little bit later Amazon actually raised their prices on the drone about $6, I think, and so it's a little bit more. It's like 76 or 77 probably with tax. But still, really great deal. I'll link all of this down in the description, and you can just purchase it all, put it together. I'll put a link to my last video at the end of this video and in the description, show you how to set it all up, and it's pretty easy. The one thing that I forgot to mention though is that when you turn this on, you can switch the channels up, but I just leave it on the band A, channel 1, and then just press the scan button on the side of this and it'll pick it up, and I get a pretty strong signal with that. So I think that should be good. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Like, subscribe, share, and come back for more awesome content. Thanks, guys.